Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to show you how you can create a single name on Facebook without a surname. Let's dive right in. To get started, open the Facebook application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Access Settings. Tap on the three lines icon in the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. Scroll down and find the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on it and then select Settings. Step 2. Navigate to Personal Details. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find the Account Center section. Tap on Personal Details. Step 3. Edit Profile under Personal Details. Tap on Profile. Here, you'll see your Facebook account information, including your name. Step 4. Remove Last Name. To create a single name, you'll need to remove your last name. However, Facebook requires at least something in the last name field. So, instead of leaving it blank, simply enter a single dot in the last name field. Step 5. Save Changes. Once you've entered the dot in the last name field, tap on Review Change. Facebook will prompt you to review the change you've made. Confirm the change, and your profile will now display a single name without a surname. With this method, you can easily create a single name on Facebook and stand out with your unique profile name.